In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop spam emails in iCloud Mail. If your inbox feels cluttered with unwanted messages, these simple actions will help you take control quickly and keep it that way. First, make a habit of marking spam properly. This is the single most important thing you can do. When a suspicious message lands in your inbox, open it if you need to confirm what it is, then click the More button, the three dots, and choose Move to Junk. You can also drag the email directly into the junk folder. Deleting alone doesn't teach iCloud anything, but moving it to junk does. Each time you do this, iCloud learns from your choice and gets better at sending future emails from that sender straight to spam without bothering you. Next, don't open obvious spam. It sounds simple, but it matters. If a message looks shady, delete it without opening. Opening can confirm to the sender that your address is active, which can lead to more spam. Treat urgent warnings, unexpected invoices, or offers that seem too good to be true with extra caution. And if you do accidentally open one, avoid clicking any links or downloading attachments. For even stronger protection, turn on Mail Privacy Protection. This limits tracking and reduces how much marketers can learn about you. Here's how to enable it. Go to iCloud.com/mail, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and turn on Protect Mail Activity. With this on, senders can't reliably tell when you open their emails or gather details like your IP address, which helps cut down on targeted spam over time. Finally, keep an eye on your junk folder. Spam is automatically deleted after 30 days, but it's wise to check it occasionally so you don't miss a real message that landed there by mistake. If you find something legitimate, move it back to your inbox. That correction helps train iCloud in the right direction and makes it less likely that similar messages will be filtered out in the future. Put these together and you'll see a real difference. Mark junk consistently so iCloud learns. Avoid opening suspicious messages. Enable mail privacy protection for added stealth. And tidy your junk folder so important messages don't slip through the cracks. With a bit of consistency, your iCloud mail will stay cleaner, safer, and far easier to manage.